going to learn chapter number 3, part 2, social networking. Your chapter title is social networking. In this chapter, today we will learn basic features of social networking sites. The short form of social networking site is SNS. First topic, security settings. A user can configure settings wherein she decide which content on her page is public or private. It means in social networking there are one best beautiful option. The option name is security setting. In this option you can change your page security. It means you can show your page content so you can see your private, but you cannot show your page to all people. So here you can save your setting public. Security setting option, you also block the unknown person. You also block your unknown person in your social networking site like Facebook, WhatsApp. Okay, so the user can block content from being viewed by list of user. It means in your page the someone user are unknown of you, so you can easily block this person from your list. Can report a spam and flag content. Here you can add into your spam options. So networking features, activity that a user can perform. So here I explain you networking features and some activity user can perform with the use of networking features. Chat or use instant messaging service to communicate with other users who are online. In the social networking, with the use of social networking, you can chat. You can chat with the use of instant messaging services, and you can also communicate with your other user who are online. If someone your friend are online, so with the use of instant messaging service you can chat with your friends. So this is a features of social networking. Upload photo and video so that they can be viewed by other. With the use of social networking, and you can also upload your photos, videos, okay, for someone view your photos and video. Play game with the use of networking. You are play games with your friends. You can easily play online games. So enter comments on content generated by other. If someone posted something in the social networking, so you can easily comment here. So this is the features of networking. Send email. You can easily send an email with networking. Search and support. A user can search for content based on keywords. User can easily search a content based keyword. Interest, schools, etc. The user also search some information regarding schools and regarding some contents. They also have support in the form of FAQs and forms. FAQ means frequently asked question. Now the other topic, file, photo, video sharing, SNS. It means with the use of social networking, you can easily share your file, photo and video. Out of the many different kind of SNS is means social networking. File, photo, video sharing sites are the most popular. Out of many different kinds of SNS, some of the sites are very many popular to send the file, photo and video. Just example I am giving you. With the use of WhatsApp, we can easily send our files and photos, and we can easily share some videos. So it is the most popular sites. With the use of Facebook, you can also share your post and photos and videos also. So it is also a most important, most popular SNS site. So some important aspects of this site as shown in the figure are. Here this is the some importance of this site are available. I explain you. This site need a registration, but they can also be accessed using the already existing profile on other site like Google or Yahoo. If you access Yahoo and Google, so first we need to registration. And the another point, if someone is already registered, so with the use of existing profile, he or she can easily log in, easily access this site. For example, YouTube allow user to access its site with their Google account name and password. This example I am giving you in YouTube. If you want to access your YouTube, so first of all, with the use of your Google account, you sign in, and then after you access your YouTube. Okay. Some of the services provided by this site are free and some are paid. In the YouTube, in the SNS, some sites are free and some are paid. For example, minimal storage space is given for a free account. If you store minimum something, so this is a free account, but you store your extra storage, so you can provide to pay a charge of this site. Second point, all user can create, edit, upload, search and organize their files like documents, audio, video, photo on this site. So with the use of SNS, some users can easily create documents, easily edit this document, easily upload the document and easily search something files with the use of SNS. People also create a audio, edit audio, upload, search with the use of SNS, and the people also easily create the video, edit, upload video and search someone video with the use of this site. And the people also creates a photo and edit your photo, upload photo and search and organize, means manage these photos also with these sites. Some sites, for example, Photo Bucket, have a special software tools to edit photos. If you want to edit your photo, so the Photo Bucket is special software tool. So add effects to videos, create a innovative photo albums and important photo from other SNS. From other SNS, from other social networking, you can easily create your photo and create your video very innovative and very effective. And you also create your photo albums. Privacy settings on a user account enable the user to share the content as they choose to. Public, private can be viewed only by friends, etc. In the SNS, there are one most important option are available for a security purpose. Privacy setting. So privacy setting is the topic of security. It means in your account you can put some security, like if you are share your content, and as there are three options. You share your content with public, it means all the user see your content, it means public. Private, it means you and you only see this content, so this is a private portion and can be viewed only by friends. It means if the all friend listed on in your SNS, so they only can see your content. So this is a three privacy setting option: public, private, and only by friends. So with this privacy setting, you can easily share your content, and most of this site can be accessed even from mobile devices. Most of the SNS site you can access with your mobile devices, like Facebook. So Facebook you can easily access with your mobile phone. WhatsApp, you can easily access the WhatsApp with your mobile phone. Facebook Messenger also you can easily access with your mobile phone. Twitter also use with your mobile phone. So most of the SNS site will be accessed by mobile devices. It means you can easily access this SNS site with your mobile devices. Move to other topics, other features of social networking sites. So this is previously I explained basic features of social networking site, and now I explain you other features of social networking sites. Crowdsourcing. Do you know the meaning of crowdsourcing? Crowdsourcing, it means joint development or problem solving technique that requires help from a network of people or a crowd. It means it is a joint development or a problem solving technique. It requires help from a network of people or a crowd. So the term describe outsourcing of tasks using SNS, which can be performed by individual across the global. It means it is performed by crowd of people. For example, http://www.99designs.com is a website where clients can post requirement for a design assignments like logo, website, business card, and etc. And individuals can submit their design, and some individual person are easily submit your design in the website www.99design.com, and the client gets to choose the best design and pay the individual accordingly, and the client are easily pay the payment of individual best choice of designing. Now we move to the other term, mashup. Do you know, students, the meaning of mashup? So mashup is a technique by which a website or web application use data, presentation or functionality from two or more sources to create a new services. Mashup are made possible via web service or public API. Here in your term mashup, the term refer to combine different elements. It means this term are combined by different elements such as content and application interface to create a new services. So mashup means the mashup refer to combining different elements such as such as content and application interface to create a new service. For example, a mashup of Google Maps and Twitter allows the user to see the area on the map from where the popular Twitter content is being posted. News group, forums, and social bookmarking sites are a different way which individuals with common interests can interact with each other. So, news group, forum, social bookmarking, these sites are a different way in which individuals with common interests can interact with each other. This is a website. There in this website the interest people are easily connect with each other. Now we move to next point, location based services. Foursquare and WAYN, where are you now, are an example of SNS where user posts their current location. Location means it is a best services. Location means your address. Foursquare and WAYN, the full form of WAYN means where are you now, are an example of SNS where user posts their current location. It means here user posts his or her current location. This enables user to know the whereabouts of their friends. It means where is your friend. So with the use of SNS location, he or she easily find out her friends. So you understand. Now here the some dialogues between Moj, Tejas and Jyoti I discuss with you. Moj say, can you think of any other purpose of SNS? You are thinking any other purpose of SNS? Tejas say, people from all walks of life including teachers, businessmen, doctors and government officials use this tool for various purpose. It means teacher, business, doctor and government official use this tool for a various purpose. Just example, you all are getting the video now from a WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, it is a also a social networking site. So your teachers easily send the video with the use of WhatsApp. So it is very best purpose for your teacher. So Jyoti say, our teachers use SNS to keep in touch with the current and graduate students and also for clearing our doubts. It means our teachers keep in touch with the use of SNS. It means social networking site and solve the current and graduate students problem and doubt. So company use SNS to create a web page for their products. It means some company are using social networking site to create a page. Just example, our schools have a SNS page. It means Facebook page. So school also create a SNS web page. They gather feedback from consumer, etc. Doctor use SNS to keep their patients updated regarding issue related to their health. Doctor also create a SNS to get a update regarding update regarding their patients. Moj say, another critical area in which SNS are immensely helpful is disaster management, and social networking sites are easily helpful in a disaster management. Live data collection and dissemination through these sites. help prevent loss of lives and damage to property, as well as in a raising fund for relief work. Here Jyoti say, as a summary, I have created mind maps of SNS future show below. Mind maps is create your own idea with some application. So in here this is a mind map of social networking websites. Social networking websites, FAQ, email and form for search. Name, email address, school zip code, keyword, interest. This is also the past and networking features. Chat rooms, instant messaging, group, mobile version available, commercial and personal videos, games, classifieds, events and book. And profile of social networking. Profile editor, customized profile, post, comment, friends, blog and application and security. Profile setting, block you with the use of profile security. You can block some user, you can report a spam, abuse and safety tips. So this is your mind map. So here I finish your today lecture, and next lecture I explain you pros and cons of social networking site. It means advantage and disadvantage of social networking site. I hope you all are understand this lesson. Thanks. Have a nice day.